Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on TECNO Spark 20C. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now click open and click this button to skip introduction. Now click not now and click open permissions. Now click here on the AI assistant to allow this app to display over other apps and then click back. Now click start and here is your ChatGPT widget and you can open him and tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded, and if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.